Okay, this is my fit bike check. In the back I have an Animal GLH tire, stock PBR back rim and hub, Shadow half-link chain, Shadow crank and bone sprocket, stock cranks, stock bottom bracket, Chameleon Odyssey twisted pedals. My seat is E-Clat combo, and I colored in this with Sharpie because it looked gay without it. My frame's a 2009 Fit Street 1. My bars are S&M Race, and my stem stock Fit. My grips are ODI. My fork is Demolition Concord. My front wheel is E-Clat laced to Odyssey Hazard light, and my spokes are Shadow. My front tire is Animal GLH, and that's my bike check. Fucking gay.